Well, hey guys, Dave Anderson here, Helicool's Helipad. I normally don't start a video sitting inside of Malachi, but today we're going to be doing some stuff that is totally for Malachi. You know, in the Army you kind of have this saying, shoot, move, and communicate. Well, fortunately I don't have to shoot at anybody anymore. Move, well, this thing moves pretty good. Communicate, I really don't have anything for communication. So, I'm going to install a CB radio that has a PA. So we're going to have a PA system, a public address system that is on Malachi. I happen to have got a speaker, and Bob actually had this. Yeah, he got it. He found it at Goodwill. $3.99. Never been used. You know, you pick up stuff like this if you're very watchful. Obviously, I'm going to have to paint that. But I got some new coaxial cable. I got some 3.5mm speaker wire. And for some reason, when I pulled this out of my truck, what was that, about 2001, maybe earlier than that. So this has been in a box for a long time, but it's a darn good one. I couldn't find the power supply for it, so I got some power supply wires for it. So this is going to turn out really good. You guys stay tuned. Gonna get some communications in Malachi. Well, the first thing I need to figure out is where to mount this thing. You know, it's not exactly the tiniest component. I'm pretty sure I bought this, yeah, I'm positive. I bought this when I was stationed in Kansas in, about 1995. So it just is not going to fit up on the dash here at all. So I'm thinking I'm going to have to mount it up in here somewhere. And I'm thinking probably about right there would be a good spot for it. Or possibly even on this side of the wire, because I'm going to have the cord dangling down here. I just don't know. Maybe centered up like that might be all right. I think that might be okay. Well, it looks like, get a good picture of this. It looks like got the bracket up there. I had to split this just a little bit farther away, so I'm gonna have to take this one and move it back out here just a little bit. But you know, the radio actually will probably help hold that wire up there. So that's probably not a bad spot right there. Well, all right, I got just about everything hooked up except for the antenna. Because it fits so close, I'm gonna have to order one of those 90-degree antenna elbows. I'll put that in there and I'll be able to run the wire a whole lot better. But now to put it on up. There we go. I just need to encapsulate those. All right, so I'm going to cheat just a little bit. I could look on the back of that CB radio to determine what size of fuse it should take, or I could just pop the fuse out of this little guy here and read what the fuse is and be able to put the correct fuse in. Doggone it, I'm going to need my glasses. All right, it says that it's a 5 amp. I almost don't believe that, but it does look like an awfully thin wire. 5 amp it is. Well, that cleans up real nice with the wire loom. That looks real good. All right, went ahead and the PA I hid in this loom and power to the CB radio. I just put a little grommet in there so it wouldn't drill the hole and put a grommet in. And wired it in right there, radio. Did a little bit of extra here. This was getting a little cobbled up. I think I'm going to have to get a ground bus bar. But everything is in except for the antenna. I tested it. It works. Next thing to do is install the PA speaker. This is what happens when you get into a hurry. You already crimp the solderless connector. Yeah. Really? Cut and repeat. Alright guys, what do you think of that? You think it looks pretty good? Sounds pretty good? I think so too. Hey guys, if you really like this video, please push that little thumbs up on just below the screen. If you're watching it from a smartphone, then scroll all the way down to the bottom of all those other videos, leave a comment. That is how you support this channel. And hey, if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to do that too. Thank you very much for your support. Till next time, I'm Dave Anderson signing out. You guys be safe, and God bless.